Today, guys, we're given a table with some data, and we're going to take this data and rewrite it as ordered pairs, and then we're going to take those ordered pairs and we're going to graph them and write the coordinate points on this coordinate grid right here. Or more simply put, we're going to take this data from the table and graph the points. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. So right here we have our x values of -4, -1, and 5, and our y values of -5, -3, and 1. Now to write ordered pairs, it's always x comma y. And so over here we take our x, which is -4, for our first point, and the y that's associated with that -4 is -5. For the next one we have -1 for our x, for our input, which means -3 is our output. So when we input -1, we get an output of -3, or as the ordered pair would be, -1 comma -3. Then our last one, we have 5 for our x value and 1 for our y value, or 5 for the input and 1 for the output. Now, whenever we go ahead and plug these coordinate points onto a graph, or onto a coordinate grid, what we need to do is check out, well, what's our ordered pair first? So the first one is -4 comma -5, or x is -4 and y is -5, right? So I come down to when x, my x-axis down here, when x is -4, so here we go, I'm going to go from the origin, which is 0, 0, I'm going to go back 4 spaces to -4, so -1, -2, -3, -4, and the next thing that I needed was y to equal -5. So now I'm going to go down 5 positions, or 5 units, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my first point will go here, which matches up with -4 for x and -5 for y. Alright, so that's my first coordinate point, or my first ordered pair. The next one, -1 comma -3. From the origin at 0, 0, we go -1, so backwards 1. And then we go up or down vertically 3 spaces. So we had -3, so it's going to be down. So 1, 2, 3. And this is my point for -1 comma -3. So -1 for the x, -3 for the y. This is where they meet up. And our last one, 5 comma +1. Start from the origin, move to the right 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going up 1 spot because it is a positive. And that's it. That's how we go from a table to ordered pairs to a graph.